Metro by T-Mobile charges an activation fee to set up your phone on their network. This is a one-time charge that can range from $15 to $25, but there are several proven methods to avoid paying this fee entirely. The primary method to waive the activation fee is using Metro by T-Mobile's online activation tool. When you activate your service through their website instead of visiting a store, the activation fee is typically waived automatically. Metro by T-Mobile frequently offers limited time promotions that waive activation fees for new activations and reactivations. These promotional periods can save you money, so it's worth checking their website regularly for current deals. Authorized retailers like Costco and Sam's Club often waive activation fees and may offer additional incentives such as gift cards or discounts. These warehouse stores frequently have better deals than Metro's own stores. You can also contact Metro by T-Mobile customer service at 1-888-863-8768 and politely request a fee waiver. This works especially well if you're a longtime customer or activating multiple lines at once. Keep in mind that activation fee policies can change frequently. It's always best to confirm the latest information directly with Metro by T-Mobile before making any decisions about your service activation. Beyond the basic methods, consider purchasing a promotional phone that includes the first month of service. This bundle approach can often be cheaper than paying the activation fee separately. Using the My Metro app to manage your account can help you avoid certain in-store fees. The app allows you to handle many tasks that would otherwise require a store visit and potential charges. Be aware of potential hidden fees, such as those for device switching or premium service bundles added without your knowledge. Always read the terms and conditions before signing up for any plan or promotion. Don't hesitate to negotiate with customer service representatives to see if they can waive or reduce fees, especially if you're a loyal customer. A polite conversation can often lead to savings. If you're bringing your own device, check if there are specific promotions or waivers available for BYOD activations. These offers can vary and may provide additional savings opportunities. Remember that fees and policies can change frequently. Always confirm the latest information with Metro by T-Mobile directly before making any decisions. Staying informed helps you take advantage of the best available deals.